Teresa Rene. So today I want to share with you my Stitch Fix. Yes, I have still been getting Stitch Fix. No, I have not been sharing them for obvious reasons, you know. But I want to share them today and let you see what I got, okay? I still love getting my Stitch Fix. I still get them every month. I still love my stylist, Christina. She is awesome. Stitch Fix every 3 weeks. I love my Stitch Fix. I do. So, we have this Vince Camuto mirror pleated shoulder detail blouse, canary yellow. And this is actually $58. I like this shirt a lot. I would love to have kept this shirt. I like this shirt a lot. I love the pleating in the back. However, it is a little big. I really would like to have downsized on that. And they didn't have a smaller size. So, next up, we have here the Westkey Talon tie front blouse in off-white. I love this blouse. This blouse was actually only $44. And I wanted to keep this top. I felt like it fit really nice. I wanted to keep it, however, I wanted it at that discount rate, chat. This is something that, this is by Gold Ray. This is my second time sending this top back. However, I want this top. I just want it at the discounted rate. I love that it has the hole on this shoulder. I love that it has the hole in the front. And it's only, this top is only $48, but I want a discount. Next up, I have the pants. These pants are really cute. They are Violet and Roses Tinsley slim straight trouser in pink, a size 16. I do need to downsize. I think I need to adjust my sizes. I love these pants. So they are so cute and they fit so comfortably. I love the color. I love the fit on them. They fit really comfortable. However, they were a little big, and I know that once I wear them, they're gonna loosen up and be way too big. They were $58, and they're just too big. I like them. I do need to. I probably need to adjust my sizes. Next up is the Kaylee Delaney cropped knit jumpsuit in burnt orange. I love the color of this jumpsuit. I love the fact that it has pockets. The fit for me just, it was okay. I don't know if it was maybe a little too big. I kind of felt like it was a little bit too big, but did I really want to downsize it? I don't know. Maybe if it was smaller, it would have fit a little better. But I kind of think it was just the actual fit of this jumper. I don't know, but I think the skin, the tone of it looked really nice on my skin. However, it was just, I don't know. It just didn't work for me. So, the total for this was $266. The buy on discount was $66.50, which brought it down to $199.50. And that really is a really good price to me for all those pieces. But because of the sizing, and I looked to see if they had smaller sizes, and a lot of instances they didn't have, well, they didn't have smaller sizes than anything that I needed a smaller size in, so I elected to send it all back. And I'm going to ask her, though, to resend me that Westkey tie front blouse, as well as the Gold Ray asymmetric cold shoulder shirt. Excuse me. I do want her to send both of those back to me because I really do like those shirts, but I just want to get them at the discounted rate. This is my number 17 Stitch Fix. I love Stitch Fix. I would tell you that during the pandemic, and it's, you know, of course the pandemic is still here, but I really did enjoy getting my Stitch Fix. I lost a son. My son passed in April. I still got my Stitch Fix through April and May and March, you know, through all those months. I just didn't share them. But honestly, being that I wasn't really able to go out mentally to really purchase anything or really even... it was nice to still be able to get my Stitch Fix, to be honest. If you are interested in having your own stitch, then look in the description bar below. There is a link there. You can get a discount, like $25 off, and sign up and check it out. It's free. You can send everything back free of charge if you're not interested. And That's what I love about Stitch Fix. But thank you so much for stopping by my channel. If you have not subscribed yet, hit the subscription button, hang out with your girl, and I will holler back at you in the next video. Bye.